Hello friends, in the recent short I have mentioned that in this detailed video I'll be discussing all the Python libraries which are required to become a data scientist. It is a guide for the fresh students and can be used by the professionals as well. I am Dr. Himani Mittal from GGDSD College. So this was the list which I have shown in the short, which says you have to first learn the NumPy, then the pandas, then Matplotlib followed by Seaborn, scikit-learn, then SQL and data collection libraries, deep learning libraries, NLP and computer vision libraries, and then the deployment libraries or tools. So first of all, you have to learn core Python. In core Python, you should emphasize learning NumPy, pandas, and the math library. In NumPy, you will be performing the computation of arrays, mathematical operations on the arrays. Then it is the foundation for the data science and ML libraries. Then in pandas, you will learn the data manipulation and analysis, how to load the data from Excel sheets, CSV sheets, from PDFs into the Python library. And then you will learn cleaning, filtering, and analysis of the data sets. So if you are downloading a dataset from any professional website, that will be loaded using the Pandas. So it is a very important library. Then we have the math library, which is used for learning the mathematical functions. Then data visualization. First you have to learn Matplotlib, which is the basic visualization package which is available in Python. It will help you in making good quality but basic level of graphs. Then we have the Seaborn library, which is much advanced. Better graphics are available in the Seaborn library. Then we have Plotly, which helps in development of the interactive plots. Then we have the statistics and mathematical library, SciPy, which helps in scientific and statistical computations and hypothesis testing. Then the stats library, which helps in modeling of the statistical data and in regression and statistical analysis. Here the regression is without machine learning, simple regression of statistics. Then we have machine learning libraries. In this we have the scikit-learn, which has all the classical machine learning algorithms which are there. Then XGBoost is the gradient based boosting model which is used these days and is very helpful in time series analysis also. Then we have the light GBM fast, which helps in gradient boosting and used for very large data sets. Then we have deep learning library, in which we have the TensorFlow library, Keras, and the PyTorch. And TensorFlow is used for neural networks and deep learning. This requires a high powered GPU system, and in case you do not have one, you can use Google Colab to use these three packages on remote machines provided by Google. Then we have natural language processing tools, which is NLTK, Spacy, and Transformers. NLTK is the basic natural language processing kit. Then Spacy is used for production NLP systems, and Transformers, which help in using the ChatGPT, BERT, and other GPT models. Then we have the computer vision related libraries, OpenCV, which helps in image and video processing, and Pillow, which helps in image handling. I have discussed a video in which I am discussing the animation of the sine wave and the performance of the mobile brands over the years, and in that I have shown how to use Pillow. Then the big data library, PySpark and Dask, and several miscellaneous libraries like the data collection libraries, which involves Beautiful Soup, Scrapy, and Requests. Then the database libraries, SQL Alchemy and Scicop. Then we have the deployment and ML operations. For this we require the Flask API and the Fast API and the ML flow. Then automation and tools that are required, Jupyter Notebook and the Streamlit interface. So all these things, if you are able to use and understand, then your journey for becoming a data scientist will definitely be fruitful. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my channel, subscribe to it and recommend it to your friends. Thank you very much for watching.